Kính thưa quý vị đại biểu, và trong chương trình ngày hôm nay thì ban tổ chức cũng rất vui khi lại tổng kết và trao giải cho các bạn học sinh đạt thành tích cao trong kỳ thi toán quốc tế AMO và kỳ thi khoa học quốc tế VANDA năm 2021. Có sự hiện diện của ông Henry Ong, chủ tịch của SIMCC, một trong những nhà tổ chức các cuộc thi học thuật lớn nhất ở Singapore và châu Á, đã không quản ngại đường xa xôi đến tham dự chương trình để chúc mừng các học sinh đã đạt thành tích cao trong kỳ thi vừa qua. Và với tình cảm to lớn đó thì ban tổ chức sẽ được trân trọng kính mời ông Henry Ong sẽ tiến lên sân khấu có đôi lời phát biểu. Xin được trân trọng kính mời.
Okay, thank you. Can you all hear me? Okay, good. So, I'm really excited to be back here again. In 2018, I was in pain. I had a hip injury, and it was very difficult for me to walk. And just last year, I had a hip replacement. So now I can walk a lot better and faster. So, really happy for that. And the other thing I want to express is that, you know, the last 2 years has been very difficult for everybody with COVID. We have all lost friends. Some of us have even lost relatives. So I'm glad that all of us are starting to get over the COVID situation and things are improving very quickly. Okay, so with that, I'll start my opening speech. So, good morning everyone. Thank you Dr. Dung and Dr. Lung for inviting us here. Mr. Andrew Kang, principals, teachers, parents, high achieving students, and esteemed guests for joining us this morning. So welcome to a great event where we gather to recognize the high achievers amongst our Vietnamese students. Okay, so we launched AMO 2021 for the first time with Southern Illinois University writing the contest paper. Okay, so we are now offering much more opportunities for students in math and STEM. So STEM is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. We also funded 2 full scholarships at Southern Illinois University, and Southern Illinois University has given SIMCC the rights to give out unlimited scholarships for international tuition grant, where students can go to Southern Illinois University and study at half the tuition rate, which will be about $14,000 a year. Okay, so we're giving that to all our silver medalists for SIMCC competitions. Okay, so due to the support from Vietnam and many other countries, within our first year, we achieved 19,000 contestants joining AMO 2021. And of that, 17% of these students come from Vietnam, okay, where there are many high achieving students. Okay, so we are really happy with the support from Teacher Online, our partner from Singapore, as well as Pioneer Education. We are now helping many more high achieving students to earn the Singapore Ministry of Education ASEAN Scholarship. So Andrew and I have been working over the past year to introduce more programs that we can create to help more Vietnamese students gain or earn the Singapore Ministry of Education Scholarship for Secondary 3, which is for grade 9 students. So now, today I'm going to offer 5 scholarships to the top achieving AMO students in grades 7 and 8, so that Andrew can help them prepare for their English paper in the Singapore ASEAN MOE scholarship selection tests. They are tested on math and English. So it's going to help prepare them for English. So later you'll see the names of those 5 students. Okay? So once a student gets the MOE scholarship for 4 years, Sec 3, Sec 4, JC1, JC2, 80% of those students go on to study at the top 4 Singapore universities. National University of Singapore, Nanyang Technological Institute. Both of those universities are top 11 and top 12 in the world. Okay, after that you have Singapore Management University and the Singapore University of Technology and Design. Okay, so the other thing we are also doing is that we started in September last year working with a very famous professor from the University of Florida, Professor Lee Ann Laffey, and we've been helping to coach students from grade 8 and above in the International Junior Honor Society to start preparing them to get into the top 100 American universities with scholarships. So she's been helping over 3,000 students in the Middle East and Africa and India to get into top American universities with scholarships. So we're now able to bring this program to Vietnam, and in June on the 18th and the 19th we're running a live program in Singapore. So we're inviting 8 students from Vietnam, the top scorers from AMO, from grade 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 to join our program. So they can stay in Vietnam, so they don't have to fly to Singapore, or you can fly to Singapore, but at your cost, we'll provide the program in Singapore for free. It's a one-day program, and after that, we have a package where we can help the parents, guide them through grade 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, what you need to do to help make sure that your child can earn a scholarship in a top American university. So I'm also jubilant that a month ago we were invited by Stanford University, and a week later by the University of California, Berkeley, to run their world famous math competition, the Stanford Math Tournament and the Berkeley Math Tournament. Okay, so we invited all our International Junior Honor Society fellows, and 3 students from Vietnam joined this program, the Stanford Math Tournament, last month, and Nguyen Can Jung won the top 20% individual winner, and the other with his team of Bui Quoc Vinh Kang and Bak Lu Kang Van. They also won the SMT Guts round, as well as the top 10 team, and also the Stanford Math Tournament overall team champion. Okay, sorry, not champion, the top 20%. They prepared for the contest. They had less than 4 days to prepare for this competition. Okay, and they did very well. So we're going to be offering more of these competitions with much more advanced practice for our students. So I'm happy to also announce that we've just been appointed by the Mustang Math Tournament to run their math tournament worldwide, outside of America. So it's going to be run on June 11. So today we have given out about 10 scholarships for Vietnamese students, the top scorers of AMO, to join the Mustang Math Tournament for free on June 11. Okay? So we've given out additional free workshops and training for the top Vietnamese students so that they have many more opportunities to prepare their portfolio so that they can get into the top universities. Okay? So now we are opening up many opportunities for them, and together with Teacher Online, we're going to help provide additional training to help them make sure that more Vietnamese students who join SIMCC competitions in Vietnam will get the Singapore MOE scholarship with Andrew's help. So that's what we are hoping to do, so that all of you can do much better and acquire skills and recognitions for success. So thank you all for your support and for joining us today. And I cannot end without our students appreciating their parents and teachers for all the hard work that they have done to help make sure that you become winners of VANDA and AMO. So students, please give your parents appreciation and thank them, okay, for supporting you. And also for myself, I couldn't have done all this without my partners, okay, Dr. Dung, Dr. Lung, Andrew, my wife, Sophie, my daughter, Rachel, for their full support. Okay, without their support as well as your support, all the parents and teachers, SIMCC would not be able to deliver these life-changing programs for your children. So I thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. Okay, and have a good day.